Hi, everybody. I spoke recently for the Ohio Aerospace Institute, and the program was on exporting in the aerospace field. One of the first presentations that we did was on how small mid-sized companies, which means companies under 500 employees, how they can establish and grow an export program. One of the key topics we spoke on because of the aerospace industry regulations that are in place was how can you understand what regulations apply to your company's products as far as the US government is concerned for exporting, but then also what regulations and controls exist for the country that would be importing the goods from you. So there's a variety of regulations. There's regulations that control products that could be dual use, that are for industrial use or aerospace use, but could also be military use. There's also regulations regarding how that product performs. So in Europe, there are CE mark regulations. So make sure that these are typically safety driven. In China, which is a big US aerospace export market, it would be the CCC regulations. That again, these are typically safety driven regulations. So these were some of the main topics that we talked about at this event. And we encourage you to go to internationaltraderesources.com to find articles that we have, summaries of our podcast, which talk about export controls, as well as our trade training classes.